Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So yeah, it's Saturday. I'm recording on a Saturday because hubby was going out the door. He's going to buy a pair of shoes, and this package from Temu was on my doorstep on a Saturday. Wasn't expecting it on a Saturday. I thought I had to wait till Monday. Woohoo! All right, I know, look how small it is compared to some other YouTubers with their huge bags. All right, so let's get into it. I'm excited. I know there's not a lot in here, but there should be my part for my thing to record tutorials again, and I can get started on that hoodie. Oh, so exciting. And there's going to be some stuff in here that's going to go into giveaways for you guys. All right. Where's my scissors? Scissors! Uh-oh. Okay. Here, we don't need this big honkin' scissors, but that's the first one I grabbed. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, yes, I did kind of go down the rabbit hole, but I didn't get a lot of stuff. I do have another order coming, and yeah, so what's all that? Well, first of all, I'm going to see if I can find that part. Oh, it better be in here. Oh, my part. I'm going to put it on right now so I can get you guys off of my selfie stick before it falls over. Okay, so I'll put the pricing on the screen after. Let's see here. Twist it on. All right, gonna move you guys over here. Tighten up some things here. We're back in business. All right. Okay. See, let me show what you guys were on here. You guys were on a selfie stick. Stuffed into a bucket of rags. Okay, just gonna take everything and dump it. All right, okay, these are kind of, these are really cute. All right, so let me show you what I got for hubby. Okay, crinkling. All right. Two in a bag. And what are they? Looks like a drill bit to me. It's a pen. Two pens. Drill bits. Oh yeah, that's for hubby. Hopefully he doesn't walk in because I'm going to have to shut this off if he does. And this is for hubby too. He's going to be like, "Would you buy those things for me for?" Because they're fun. Okay. Let me get into this one. Two hammers. Pens. You'll be writing with hammers and drill bits. Aren't they cute? Okay, next. Okay, what are these? Oh. All right, like I said, some of these will be going in with giveaways when I have, whatever I have, bag giveaways or yarn giveaways or whatever, right? There's gonna be extra little things. This is really cool. This is really cool. Okay. Aren't they funny? They're so funny. All right, where do I open this at? Right there. Oh, it's a pen. There's a little plastic rubber thing on the end there. But yeah. Pens. Oh, I'll have to keep these in the kitchen. Oh dear. Are you having fun? I'm having fun. This was so fun. Okay, so the next one. Let's see, what are these? Ooh. Okay, those all came in a pack of 2. And these come in a pack of 3. Oh, they're adorbs. Did I order these? I must have. Okay, let me just hold them together here. These are pens as well. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, it just pushes on the end. Those are so cute. Oh my. So very cute. And they got that clip. You can clip them on your shirt or whatever. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Okay, so the next one is a pack of 4. Oh my goodness. I was always looking for pens. Yeah, these are pens again. Always looking for pens at Dollar Tree, like something funny and cute, and just don't see ones like these at my Dollar Tree. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Jeez. So you pull off the end, right? Oof. I snorted. Sorry. So yeah, that's a pack of 4. So adorbs. I love the little hat. Love the little hat on this one here. This one's got a crown and a bow. And that one has, I don't know, just a little hat and glasses. All right, one more thing, guys. One more. And the next package I have coming from Temu is, come on, open up. There's going to be some storage things for my crochet. And I'm not sure what else I bought. Oh my goodness. So these come 3 in a pack. Wiggly. So they're pens again. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. All right. Oh, I guess you could put that on the, there we go. You're right. And then you have that on the, so when you're writing, it wiggles all over. Yeah, that has a ladybug on it. Oh my gosh. So fun. It has a little worm. Oh dear. And a little bee. Can you see it? It's not blurry, is it? Maybe it is. Oh my gosh, those are so adorbs. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Okay, so that's it. What do you think? Was that a fun package to open? I really enjoyed that. So, yeah, so happy Saturday, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Okay. Going the right way. Oh yeah, baby. Oops, going the wrong way. Let's cut that part out.